So, good morning. I just bought the Revlon flat paddle hair dryer, and I looked everywhere for a video on how to use it or any tips or anything, and I just tried it. Excuse me, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see very well. But yeah, it has like a high, a low, and a cool temperature. I hope that's in focus. And my hair is fine. And I sectioned it off in pieces. And I know that there was some reviews that like the top and the bottom of the brush had more heat than the other, but I like the fact that it does do that, because then I was able to like focus on, you know, the top part and get to my roots, and then you know, as it came down, hit it on the end with a little more heat for the ends. And I just used a leave-in conditioner and this item that I got from Ipsy, Wow, on just like my front parts, my back part, on my back of my head, because it kind of can tend to like get kind of frizzy and I don't get back there. But I felt like this paddle brush really like allowed me to, like, you know, just bring it forward, you know, really focus on that area. And then my hair dries pretty fast, but I'm really happy with the results. I wasn't sure I was going to keep it. I'm like, okay, let's just give it a try, and really like it. I like it a lot. Of course, I just had my hair colored, so I think it looks especially nice, but I'm going to keep it. I think it's a keeper, definitely. I love it. I mean, I definitely work better with one tool instead of a hair dryer and then another tool in my hand, because then I get all like kind of like crazy and all over the place. But yeah, and incoming Zit has entered the chat anyway. Thanks for listening. I hope it helps.
Revlon dryer. There's a good stretch, combs through easily. You can see the difference between this over here, highly done, to this after I dried it. And it doesn't take long. Most of these come from the top part. There is some heat down here, but mostly comes from up here, up top. It's been a great savior for my girls, because they always kept breaking the combs of the regular blow dryer, and it combs through very, very easily. See? As you can tell, she's got, I don't know, this is kind of not quite 4C, 4B-ish, 4C-ish, 4 is a mixture. 4A and 4B. Alright, works well.
a minute. So I purchased this Revlon one-step dryer and styler. I've been doing my hair all wrong. All wrong. All wrong. That whole blow dryer, brush, stop, go part. Silly me. I've been doing my sister's hair, my daughter's hair. Like, this hair right here, this thing, this is a game changer. Revlon, thank you. Thank you. I am extremely happy about this. Look, it is so fast. I need to clip my hands so don't look at that. It's so fast, like it's dry already. And it's so smooth. And I realized there's less tension on your hair, I guess, to the prongs, and the heat at the same time. And you're able to give your hair the attention that you need instead of stopping and holding the brush and putting the hair on top of the dry. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But this hair is like amazing. I'm going to put a review on this. Oh my goodness.
Hey guys, this could help you, and this is the fastest thing you can get. Even though this is cool, it's fast because when my mom did my hair, it just went like that. But because when you use it, you can also make your hair go in an afro. Because if you like an afro, you can keep it in an afro. But if you have to go to school every day, you have to do hair. Bye.
Bye.
that you can get the most random, wonderfully reviewed